The goal in life is to surround yourself with people who genuinely love and appreciate you for who you are and support your journey along the way. And the best way to be able to surround yourself with people that provide that for you is by one, you first becoming that for yourself. And the best way to do that is by showing up authentically in life and both your darkness and your light, in your difficulties and your struggles, your weakness and your strengths. Everything is a part of you, even our limitations. There is a reason why they exist, to guide us in the direction of our purpose and our soul's mission and destiny. So everything is here to create a path. Your strengths lead you in the way that you should be living your life and the things you should be focusing on, whereas your weaknesses are paving you down into this road that you should walk. And genuine relationships and conversations are what will lead you and keep you on the path to your destiny. So it is important that you invest in the relationships that will help you become a better you. And these relationships will not always seem easy to handle or keep up with, as sometimes they will bring a lot of restraint, or they will cause a lot of conflict. But all of that comes with the growth of not only the relationship, but also yourself, because we are each other's mirrors. And a lot of times people will be mirroring back something to you that you might not necessarily like about yourself. And how do you know that you have outgrown a phase in yourself that is no longer bothering you? For example, if you're a person that is very gossipy, and you probably, when you see other people be very gossipy, you might start to feel threatened by it or have judgments of their gossiping. And when you come to see what you may be feeling when you see the other person doing that, you can start to find parts of you that does that as well. And once you start to understand why you've done that or why you do that, you can forgive yourself for judging the other person, and you could also forgive the other person for doing it and understand why they might be doing that behavior. And that's just one example to all the things that could possibly be. But yeah, so highly recommend investing in real, authentic relationships. But you cannot create that, or you cannot have that unless you are creating that for others and being authentic and genuine with yourself, but also with others. So happy Tuesday to you guys, and my hope is that you find the time to invest in the relationships that bring value to you as you also bring value to them. Love and light. Blessings to you all. Have a wonderful day.